So you know how there's like a million videos on how to optimize your scene for faster renders, but none of them deal with the fact that you might just not have a powerful enough computer. So here's my take on this problem. This is Smoozy. This is an app that I created, and it helps you turn any rental GPU server into your personal render farm. First, let's create an SSH key. This is just how you log into a server. Let's call it Vast AI, for example. Optionally protect with a passphrase. Don't need that. Generate key. Copy this. Call it done. Let's go to Vast AI. This is just one of the providers, not the only one. Go to keys. New key. Paste whatever you copied from the previous step in here. Save. Search. Oh, did it add it? Yeah, successfully created key. Perfect. Okay, see that? A 1590 for like 55 cents per hour. This sounds pretty good. Massachusetts. Okay, Sweden, it's probably a little closer to me. Let's click rent. It will take some time. Go here, instances. Okay, we'll come back when it's done. Okay, click connect. This is our IP address. Just copy that. Add a server, call it something like 1590 Vast, maybe. Okay, host IP address. This is the port. It differs from provider to provider. By default, it's 22, but if it's not 22, it's explicitly stated. Right now, it's not, of course, so we punch it over here. Username. In case of Vast AI, it's root. It's not always root, but it is in this case. Select key Vast AI. We already have that. We can click install update GPU drivers, but it won't work in this particular instance because it's something what's called a container, but it will work on non-containers if you're into that thing. And you can install the latest version of Blender right away. Let's go with 5.12. Yeah, you know what? I'll actually skip that and I'll just install a 5.2 beta since it's just more fun. Okay, so it's doing something, almost ready. No GPU detected. This will resolve itself at some point, I think. Yeah, there you go. GeForce RTX 1590. Let's check out our server software. Okay, pre-release builds. Let's go with 5.2 beta, install. It's preparing a download. And while it is doing that, I will just collapse it. And let's actually upload a file. Let's make a new folder, call it something like Blender. Okay, Blender is fine. I'll upload a file from over here, Suzanne, open. As you can see, the file is pretty small. It's just 150 kilobytes. But here's the kicker. If you click check dependencies, it will actually show you that there are some textures or some external files there. You see there is a polygon texture, and you can locate the files manually, or you can add a search folder. And in my case, a search folder would be, where would that be? That would be somewhere in Documents, Blender. Oh yeah, Polygon. That's good enough. I can click Open. It will search and find them. Yeah, it found them. Geometry Nodes Essentials is just something that comes with Blender inside it, so we don't need to locate it. Yeah. If something feels off, you can just disable that and you can locate the file manually. But I think this is good enough. I can just upload this. It'll take some time. So the kick-ass feature of Smoozy is actually the fact that you don't have to pack your textures, unlike traditional render farms. And that way you can iterate on your file much faster because you don't have to upload the entire file all at once if you change one small thing or like a light or a background or something. Okay, done. Let's do preload settings, although you don't have to do that. You can render right away, but I'll click preload settings. Okay, my scene is called scene. Okay, that makes sense. Frame range is, oh yeah, I forgot to change it to 1 because it's not an animation. I just need 1 frame. I'll put at 1, samples 500, resolution 200. That's okay. I have 2 view layers and I can enable or disable them, but I will enable both because I need both, and I will actually apply auto download. I know that I don't have EXRs in there, but I do have PNGs. So I'll just click render. Okay, it's gonna fall into the queue and it's gonna take some time. You can see the raw output from Blender over here. Yeah, it's going pretty well. Samples, okay, tile 1 out of 4. Okay, did it stumble? No, everything's good. Okay, it's working. It took several seconds to do that, and it is actually auto downloading my outputs. Would you look at that? Okay, AO, yeah, I forgot to type in the hashtags for frame numbers. Okay, I think it's done, completed. Yeah, auto download complete. I can show the outputs inside the folder on the server, or I can actually go to my downloads over here and take a look at this. Yep, polygon texture, fully uploaded and remapped from the initial files on your local computer to the files that were uploaded to the server. So yeah, this is Smoozy. Enjoy.